Hello friends, welcome to our channel of health awareness. Today we are going to see the food which is rich in iron, and this is our step of health awareness and a step towards anemia free India. So first we will see by sequence like the food which is richest in iron, that we will see first, and thereafter we will see. So first number is the garden cress, the olive seeds, we will say it as a olive. So 100 milligram of iron we will get after taking 100 grams of olive. So it is a richest source of iron available in vegetable food. Then second is lotus stem dried. Also it contains 60 milligram of iron per 100 gram. Then niger seeds, we will call it as a karrad. So 60 milligram of iron is available in this. Then cauliflower leaf, that leaf, if we will prepare sabji from that leaf, we will get 40 milligram of iron. Then all that comes our green leafy vegetables, spinach, methi, these are the rich source of iron. But along with this, the other desi vegetables like we will say it as a ghor, then chawadai, mart, ambat chuka, all these desi and common green leafy vegetables, they are rich in iron. Around 30 milligram of iron is there in that. The English name will be Amaranthritis, Amaranth polygoids, like names are there for these vegetables. Then 20 to 30 milligram of iron is available in other green leafy vegetables that we are not eating regularly. We throw it off. What are they? They are like leaf of Bengal grams plant, like chana plant leaf, then shepu, then radish leaves, then mustard leaves. These are all the leaves we didn't see at all. They are containing 20 to 30 milligram of iron. And also the drumstick plant's leaf, if we will take that, we will get 20 to 30 milligram of iron. Then comes all the category which contains 8 to 10 milligram of iron. So that are soya bean, futana, black currant, black grapes, dry dates, then fig, then groundnuts, coconut, all our pulses, peanuts, then whole grains, then watermelon. These are banana, apple. They are also rich in iron and they contain 8 to 10 milligram. Next category is 1 to 2 milligram of iron. So they are they contain iron but to a lesser amount. So what are they? They are cashew nut, khova, almonds, then wheat grains, then custard apple, jawar, ginger, cheese, beet and carrot. Then we will see non-vegetarian food. So non-vegetarian food like chicken, eggs, fish, mutton, they contain less amount of iron, but that is available in heme form. So this is one type of heme form and non-heme form of iron. So vegetarian diet contains non-heme form of iron, so that is not easily absorbed. So they require vitamin C for absorption, and what is not allowed for absorption is milk, tea, coffee, and worm infestation, malnourished child. They are not easily absorbed, this non-heme type of iron. This heme pattern of iron that is contained in non-vegetarian food, that is easily absorbed. So even if the amount is less, but that gets easily absorbed. So that is why non-vegetarian food, if you are taking, your hemoglobin will be good. And also the beef meat, that is rich source of iron, around 10 to 20 milligram of iron. So today we have seen the sources of iron. If you have liked this video, then please like it, share it and subscribe our health awareness channel. Thank you.